Hi everyone, welcome back to our playlist Foundations of Structural Engineering. Today's topic is very important. We will understand what force is, what is movement, and what equilibrium means in structures. These are the building blocks of all the structure elements. So let's get started. What is force? First, let's talk about force. A force is simply a push or a pull acting on an object. It always has two things: magnitude, which tells us how strong it is, and direction, which shows where it acts. In structural engineering, we usually measure force in newtons or kilonewtons. For example, the weight of this box is a force acting downward due to gravity. What is movement? Now, what is movement? A movement is a tendency of a force to rotate an object about a point or axis. We calculate it by multiplying the force by the perpendicular distance from the point of rotation. Moment is equal to force cross distance. It is measured in Newton meters or kilonewton meters. For example, when you use a wrench to tighten a bolt, your hand applies a force at the end of the wrench. The longer the wrench, the bigger the movement you create. Make it easier to turn the bolt. Equilibrium. Now let's see what equilibrium means. In structural engineering, a structure or a body is in equilibrium when it's perfectly balanced. It doesn't move or rotate. Mathematically, this means two things. The sum of all the horizontal and vertical forces equals zero. The sum of the moments about any point also equals zero. This is why buildings and bridges stay stable under loads. The internal and external forces and moments are balanced. Let's quick let's see a quick example. Imagine a simply supported beam with a point load exactly in the center. To keep it in equilibrium, the support at both ends must provide reaction forces. Using summation F is equal to 0, we find that each support carries half the load, W is divided by 2, and using summation M is equal to 0, we can confirm these reactions keep the beam balanced and stable. Why this matters? Why are these concepts so important? Because force, movement, and equilibrium are the foundation of everything we do in structural analysis and design. Whether we do hand calculation or use advanced softwares like ETABS or SAP 2000, the same principle applies. Total forces and movements must balance to keep structures safe and standing. In the next topic, we will explore the main structural elements we use to build everything around us: beams, frames, and trusses. We will see how they work, why they are designed the way they are. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others start learning too. Let's keep building our knowledge step by step.